So welcome to the Excel tutorial channel, and if you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe button. So in today's video we are going to show you how vlookup works. So for vlookup, it is necessary that your search values should be from the leftmost corner, from the leftmost column of the data, and your data bits should be lying vertically. uh, so first of all, you have to copy the column headings, uh, like this, and you have to paste it anywhere. So like I'm pasting it over here, like this. And after that you have to enter some value, like I'm entering the values like this. And after that you have to write the vlookup function equal to vlookup. So here you have to select the lookup value. Here table array, you have to select the original table like this, and then freeze it. And here you have to select the column index number, like I'm selecting number 3. Here you can leave the cell empty, or you can fill 0 if you want exact match, like I'm entering 0 here, and then answer. So see, if you if you drag it down, you will get the final answer.